Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open ADCB Zero Bank account online. So in order to do it, you first of all need to come on the official website of ADCB Bank, that is adcb.com. Now, once you are on the official website, you will have to click on this menu button, and here in the personal section, you need to hover over to the accounts tab and click on current and savings account. Now, once you click on current and savings account, it will show you the list of all of the current and savings account. Now, among these given accounts, we will have to simply take a look at the account that you can open with zero balance, and that particular account is active saver account. So active saver account is that account which you can open without any balance, basically with zero balance account that you can open. So this is you need to select. So click on active saver account here, and then you will see this type of page in front of you. Now over here, before requesting, I would highly recommend you to just scroll down and take a look at the requirements, eligibility criteria, the features of this particular account. So before getting started, make sure you take a look at it. Now once you see that you are eligible for it, you will have to simply click on the request callback option, and what this will do is it will redirect you in the bottom of this page, where you will have to provide some of the basic information. Like, first of all, you need to select, are you an existing ADCB customer? So if you are, you need to select yes and provide your customer ID, your salutation. So select the options from here, and your full name, your mobile number, your email address, and your nationality, and then press next in the bottom right hand corner. If you choose the no option, you will have to select your salutation, then your phone number, your mobile number, email address, and country, and then you need to press next in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, it will ask you to provide further details. As you can see over here, it is a two-step process. So what they are going to do is they will take some information from you, and they are going to call you before you apply for it. So here, if you click on the apply now button, again it is asking you to request callback. So you need to fill out this form and click on request callback. So once they call you and asks you about opening this account, you will have to just talk to them, and you can proceed with the process by calling them. So if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.